Quand on partait de bon matin, quand on partait sur les chemins, à bicyclette, nous étions quelques bons.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna try to give you a few basics and a few basic French lessons for you English speakers that may be useful in your everyday life in any kind of situation. But first of all, you have to be wise. Besides, you have to behave yourself. And the third thing, you have to, well, not make fun about my French accent. Otherwise, I'll punish you, and I can hear you when you're laughing as well. So, be careful. Otherwise, I'm going to make fun of your French too. So the first lesson is a lesson about, well, a current or a situation that is very frequent, that is finding yourself in a place and not to know where to go, well, asking for your direction actually. So let's start with this one. I first say in English, well, you notice it, and then I translate in French. Excuse me, sir, I'm looking for the nearest post office. Excusez-moi, monsieur, je cherche le bureau de poste le plus près. I say it slowly. Excusez-moi, monsieur, je cherche le bureau de poste le plus proche. Excuse me, sir, I'm looking for the nearest post office. I repeat. Excusez-moi, monsieur, je cherche le bureau de poste le plus proche. Le bureau means the office. Le plus proche means the nearest. Repeat after me. Okay, that's not too bad. So, next sentence is, do you know the easiest way to go there? Do you know the easiest way to go there? Est-ce que vous connaissez le chemin le plus facile pour y aller? Or you can also say, connaissez-vous le chemin le plus facile pour y aller? Connaissez-vous le chemin le plus facile pour y aller? Connaissez-vous means, do you know? Le chemin means the way. Le plus facile, the easiest. So, le chemin le plus facile is the easiest way. To go there. Pour y aller. To go is aller. There is y in French. If I spell it, it's y. Y in a sentence like this means there. Y in French, which sounds I. Connaissez-vous le chemin le plus facile pour y aller? Do you know the easiest way to go there? I know it's not easy, but still you have to follow. Have no choice. In next sentence, and after the roundabout, et après le rond-point. And after the roundabout, et après le rond-point. And et après, after le rond-point, the roundabout. Et après le rond-point. And after the roundabout. This is an easy one. So now, another easy sentence to say. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Merci, monsieur. Bonne journée. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Or have a nice day. Merci, monsieur. Une bonne journée. Ouais, merci beaucoup. Merci. Thank you. Which is something I suppose you know. Sir. Monsieur. Une bonne journée. Have a nice day. Well, literally, if I really want to say to someone, have a nice day, I will say, passe une bonne journée, or passez une bonne journée, if it's a formal way to speak. Well, to someone you don't know, you would say, passez une bonne journée. To someone you know, you will say, passe une bonne journée. Une journée means a day. So, next one. The nearest one is in Livingston Street. Oh, I don't know that street, by the way. Anyway, the sentence is, the nearest one is in Livingston Street. The nearest one is in Livingston Street. La plus proche, le plus proche, pardon, est dans la rue Livingston. La plus proche est dans la rue Livingston. The nearest one in French will be le plus proche, or la plus proche if it's feminine. The nearest one, le plus proche, is on Livingston Street. Sorry, my English is not that good. In Livingston Street. Dans la rue Livingston. The street means la rue. So I repeat for you. The nearest one is in Livingston Street. Le plus proche est dans la rue Livingston. So I said it in two sentences. The nearest one, you've got no excuse. You know how to say it in French. Le plus proche. Another sentence, a longer one than the others. Still, I will say it slowly. So, listen to me carefully. It's very easy by walk and not far. See these crossroads. Walk ahead on about 300 yards, then turn on the left until you get to the roundabout. I will try to separate each sentences, otherwise it will be too hard. And even I would have a hard time remembering what I said. So, it's very easy by walk and not far. C'est très facile à pied et pas loin. It's very easy by walk and not far. C'est très facile à pied et pas loin. It's very easy, c'est très facile, by walk, à pied, and not far, et pas loin. Easy means facile. By walk means, well, à pied. Not far, pas loin. It means this in French, of course. So it's easy by walk and not far. Ce n'est pas loin à pied. C'est facile à pied et pas loin. Oh, I'm sorry. I made a blunder. Now, the second sentence in this little dialogue. Vous voyez ce carrefour? Continuez tout droit. In English is, see these crossroads, walk ahead, then on about 300 yards, sur 500 mètres. I repeat, vous voyez ce carrefour? See these crossroads. See these crossroads is, voyez ce carrefour. Vous voyez ce carrefour. See or you see, vous voyez these crossroads. Ce carrefour. Crossroads in French is carrefour. You know there is a supermarket called Carrefour. So see this crossroads. Voyez ce carrefour. Walk ahead on about 300 yards, Marchez à peu près sur 500 mètres. Marchez à peu près sur 500 mètres. Walk ahead on about 300 yards. Then turn on the left until you get to the roundabout. Then turn on the left. Puis tournez à gauche. Then, donc, ou alors, turn, tournez, on the left, à gauche, until, jusqu'à, you see the roundabout. Vous voyez le rond-point. You see again. You see, which means, I just said it before, which means, which is in French, vous voyez. So once again, see these crossroads. Voyez ce carrefour. Walk ahead on about 300 yards. Continuez tout droit sur 500 mètres. And then turn on the left until you see the roundabout. Et tournez à gauche jusqu'à ce que vous voyez le rond-point. Turn on the left. Tournez à gauche until, jusqu'à, you see the roundabout. Vous voyez le rond-point. And the last part for today, because I think you're already a little tired, me too. Eh bien, vous traversez le parc. Le bureau de poste se situe à 3 pâtés de maison sur votre droite. Ça devrait vous prendre 15 minutes à vitesse normale. Wow, that's a long one. But don't be afraid. You'll make it. So hold on, I repeat it very slowly and separate the sentences. Eh bien, vous traversez le parc. Le bureau de poste se situe à 3 pâtés de maison. Sur votre droite, ça devrait vous prendre 15 minutes à vitesse normale. More slowly, don't worry. Eh bien, vous traversez le parc, which means in English, well, you just have to walk across the park. Well, you just have to walk across the park. Eh bien, means well, you just have to walk across. Vous n'avez qu'à traverser, ou il n'y a qu'à traverser the park, le parc. This is an easy one. Looks like the same word in English. Well, you just have to walk across the park. Eh bien, vous n'avez qu'à traverser le parc. To walk means marcher. Is marcher. The park, le parc. And to walk across means traverser. The post office is located. Le bureau de poste est situé. Le bureau de poste est situé. The post office is le bureau de poste. Is located est situé. To be located in French is être situé. So the post office is located. Le bureau de poste est situé. Just after the third block on your right. Juste à 3 pâtés de maison sur votre droite. Juste à 3 pâtés de maison sur votre droite. On the third block, à 3 pâtés de maison, it's an expression. Un pâté de maison means, well, a block. And if you say a third block, you will say 3 pâtés de maison. Usually French people say 3 pâtés de maison, but well, sometimes it differs from the person, but well, the correct expression, I think the more used expression will be 3 pâtés de maison, 3 like the number, pâté like, you know, the food, de maison, literally from the house, 3 pâtés de maison, the third block. On your right, à votre droite. A earlier I've just said the word on the left, sur la gauche. On the right is à droite. On the left, à gauche. On the right, à droite. You should allow 15 minutes at normal speed. You should allow 15 minutes at normal speed. Vous n'aurez besoin que de 15 minutes à vitesse normale. Vous n'aurez besoin que de 15 minutes à vitesse normale. Ou ça devrait vous prendre. You should allow means or is. Ça devrait vous prendre. Ou il vous faudra. It's just the same. I will say, so that it will be easier for you, you should allow, ça vous prendra. Literally, it will take you. In French, we say literally, it will take you, which is, ça vous prendra, in order to say, you should allow. Well, the kitty has jumped. It was not part of the lesson, but now it is. So that's the fun. That's the fun footage for the day when the kitty is jumping. Probably was impressed by my English. So I was saying you should allow 15 minutes at normal speed. At normal speed. Ça vous prendra. You should allow. Ça vous prendra. Prendra comes from the word prendre. That means to take. 15 minutes. 15 minutes in French. At normal speed. À une allure normale. Une vitesse normale. Speed in French is allure or vitesse. Speed, once again in French, is allure or vitesse. So, you should allow 15 minutes at normal speed. Would be in French, ça vous prendra 15 minutes à allure normale. Well, normal, needless to say, you've heard it. It's like in French, normal. Normal, normal in English. And I will repeat the sentence since it's a long one in French. Eh bien, well, pour traverser le parc, le bureau de poste se situe à 3 pâtés de maison. Well, you just have to walk across the park. The post office is located just after 3 blocks. À votre droite, on your right. Ça devrait vous prendre 15 minutes. You should allow 15 minutes. At a normal speed. À une allure normale. Well, I think that's all for today. Given that it's high time, I made dinner and then I went out. I'm gonna be late. I am gonna be late. In French, what is that? Je vais être en retard. Late, en retard. I am going to be. Je vais être. The verb to be is être in French. Je vais être en retard. I am going to be late. And that's all for today. And thanks for participating. And if you don't, well, I forgive you, because anyway, you're not obliged to learn my lessons. On the other hand, you're gonna miss something. I tell you.
Quand on ira sur le chemin à bicyclette.